Hey, welcome to GeoJerry's Adventures. Where have you guys been? Oh, wait, where have I been? Hang on, that's a story in itself. Well, this is our house. Notice how empty it is? Check this out. Talking empty. It's echoey now. It wasn't echoey before, but it sure is now. Everything empty. Well, bathroom's not quite empty yet, but we're getting there. Furniture is being all moved around. Kitchen, empty. We just sold a table yesterday. It's gone. There was a big old table here. Gone. Hey, by the way, you liking this nostalgia look? I like it. When I show you the new house, I'll change it up. So, that's it. We're moving. Got my important things on my truck. Okay, my bicycle. I've been making major loads. But a lot of our stuff is inside this pod. And then right over there, it's not there anymore. Want to know what happened to it? Watch this footage. And so here it is, the brand new house that we are moving into. Alright, so I better get back to work so this house isn't so echoey. And I'll see you on our next adventure. GeoJerry's Adventures. Don't forget to, let's see, should be right there. Subscribe and check out our other adventures.